obosagani n'ekibura buru kyabiri kikoenekiwe emensi abwangoiga sasa egokorekana nigo mubunge bwensemo y'ebunge ya Gilgil Wangari aganire komite ekorigereria yabwatikane n'oborendi bwaime koerera ase obwagare igoro yari agenderete omubaro bw'ebikoro ebi by'obosagani koerera igoro y'obotuki erikwenekia bari babeire bagwikirania iyo nkwimukerwa bare egetambukero egetindikeri chiko Gokwanera bosi bw'ebunge enene nige komite iyo y'oborendi bwaime yaganiriwe bwigo koenana omubaro bw'abari basirire obugima bwabo na gotigero n'echingoma ao nabo ige komite iyo enyare koerera emirobire serikali yabekire erigokeania obosagani n'ekibura buru imeyense.
In recent weeks, the country has witnessed a worrying escalation of violence, disruption of political gatherings, and destruction of property during political rallies, with recent incidents reported in Homa Bay County, Nakuru, and indeed Nyandarua counties. The loss of life, attacks against civilians and security officers, destruction of property, threats against political opponents, and the growing use of inflammatory and divisive rhetoric are deeply concerning as it undermines the peaceful exercise of democratic rights. It also heightens political intolerance and poses a serious threat to national peace, cohesion, and unity. Honorable Speaker, incidences that were initially dismissed as isolated occurrences have now escalated into full-blown violence, characterized with explicit use of crude weapons. The consequences of political violence are far-reaching, resulting in loss of lives, destruction of property, disruption of livelihoods, and erosion of investor confidence. It is regrettable that despite the recurrence of these incidents, decisive action has yet to be taken to bring the perpetrators to account. Additionally, the relevant state agencies are yet to provide comprehensive reports on the status of investigations in reported cases of political violence across the country and measures to forestall escalation. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Number one, what is the total number of reported cases of political violence during political rallies and other political activities across the country in the last 12 months, including the status of investigations, identities of perpetrators, and actions taken in respect of each of the cases? Number two, the total number of persons who have lost their lives, suffered bodily harm, or sustained serious injuries as a result of political violence during the last 12 months. And finally, the measures taken by the government to curb political intolerance and prevent politically instigated violence, including preparations and interventions aimed at ensuring peaceful political activities as the country approaches the